Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Disability Question, and welcome to another forest walking talk. Today I'm just walking down a forest laneway just off the riding school that I volunteer at. Yeah, so I thought I'd get some pictures, why not? I just think it's beautiful around here, particularly around this time of year, autumn. You know, lovely autumn colours. Yeah, today's topic, but I want to talk to you guys with and discuss and seek ideas from you guys. How to, if you ever experienced this, and how you dealt with it. But I want to talk about the topic of what if. I don't mean well, I don't, what do I mean? I mean intrusive thoughts are just like insecurities of when I get give you some kind of background, like when my mum died 10 years ago. Yes, 10 years ago. And just a year after it, in 2013, I suffered a mental breakdown as such, and I developed what is called OCD. And basically, I had loads of anxieties and irrational thoughts in my head, and I always thought, oh my god, what if? Oh my god, what if I did this? Oh my god, what if I did that? What happens if I don't know, did something bad? Or what happens if I did, like this with my brain going for like a couple of years. My brain was going like at 1,000 miles an hour. Well above the speed limit. And thankfully I'm grand now. I still have thoughts or negative thoughts like everyone does. I'm sure you all have your ways of dealing with them and ignoring them and saying, what the hell was that called? And yeah, I can do that. But sometimes when I get tired or stressed, overwhelmed, if I have a negative thought, I will fixate on it. I was like, oh my god, what this, what that? And then it would snowball in a sense, like I would just go, oh my god, what if I did this? And if that led to something else, oh my god, and what happened? And it just overwhelmed me even more. So now thankfully I'm able to push them aside and say, hop on to yourself, David. And I come out walking in the forest like this to chill out. And I also go horse riding to chill out, and my girl has quite often told me to hop on to myself. And yeah, no, I get read the news there. Sorry. Yeah, so like, it is, I'm wondering, how do you deal with it? Have you any ideas? How do you find dealing with anxieties and what ifs? Like, if I did this, what happens? And if something happens, like, what happens then? And I'm always anxious. I think a lot of it was due to the fact, hey, my mum and my dad's death, but because of my brain, I like to overanalyze everything. I like it. analyze everything, and I think that's just the way it was, like with my brain, like because I like to, what am I saying here? I think because I have an analytical brain, and I think that's why I went on to do my master's, and I tried doing my PhD, but I'm not doing it anymore. And I think my brain just needs to know everything, and it can't handle not knowing. And that's why it hates not knowing what if, and it likes to understand the various outcomes of every scenario. But the flip side to that is my brain gets overwhelmed and I get panicky and anxious. And I'm just wondering, does everyone else have a similar experience? And how you dealt with it? And I think one of the main things now, like, that helps me deal with it is not to do it. Like, my counsellor, she just said, like, whenever a what if came up, she just said, we don't do what if. And I just kept repeating that mantra when a what if came into my head, and like I just said, give it, took a step back and say, we don't do what if. And yes, it has helped. And I think another thing that has helped is in one way, seeking knowledge is a good thing, but not seeking knowledge is also good. Accepting that, you know, things are the way they are, you know, you're not going to know everything. And I think that's hard, because I decided not to do my PhD and to pursue other aspects of my life. I guess YouTube channel. I think I've given my brain a break from searching for knowledge, which is a good and bad thing. Like, yes, it's good to always learn new things, don't get me wrong, that's not what I'm saying. But it's also good to relax your brain and just be more present where I am. And I think because of that, my brain can deal better with the intrusive thoughts and the negativity in my head. In my head, I can see it all in my head. They're like, oh my god, what the, you know? So yeah, no, I hope this video resonates with other people, and if you have any ideas or any experience with you guys with what ifs, please let me know, drop a line in below, and yeah, and if you have any tips, I'm more than grateful. I'd be more than appreciated. As I said, I can't say, like, out of a scale of 1 to 10, I'm a 2, like, whereas like 5 years ago or 6 years ago, when I first started my counselling with my current counsellor, I was like off the charts. I was like 20 out of 10, you know, 100 out of 10 at one point. My brain was going a million miles an hour, and I was like freaking out and stressing out. But counselling now the negative thoughts are gone, and like my brain is just kind of makes it cough onto myself. So yeah, I hope I'm making sense here. But yeah, no. One good thing that has helped me is the forest walking talks. And well, first of all, walking in forest has always helped me to relax. But I think the YouTube channel is also helping me deal with my mental health and my anxiety by talking about them, and with the hope to help others and help you guys. Yeah, so please if you like this video and like this channel, please like and subscribe down below. Yeah, and let's give you one more views of the countryside. Look at that. That is beautiful. Beautiful weather. Lovely autumn weather. So yeah. No, okay, I'm not going to ramble on. I ain't nothing good at that. I'm going to preview a video. But yeah, no, I hope that makes sense. Let me know what you think. And talk to you later. I hope everyone's having a good day and minding themselves. Right. Bye bye. Cheers.